Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list info for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, I've been getting a lot of questions about penny items, penny list, penny shopping, penny sales, etc, 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 however you want to say it. Penny stuff. I've been getting a lot of questions. So for all the newbies out there, I just want to make it very clear that the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny items, penny list, penny sales, whatever you want to call it, okay? These are items that are supposed to be removed from the sales floor. They are discontinued items, and we are not supposed to know about them. So it is a huge secret. A very poorly kept secret, but nevertheless, it's still a secret, and we are not supposed to know, and we are not supposed to talk to the employees about penny items. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me via email, or you can leave them for us down in the comment section below. This is a really good community here, and a lot of people are happy to help. Now, let's go ahead and talk new clearance markdowns and the penny list for this week at Dollar General. Now, keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, January the 9th. I'm really excited for this video. I've worked very hard to get all these visuals together for you all, and I have thousands of pictures to go through. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications, because there will be more visual videos headed your way. So first up, we have our Christmas bath and gift set category. This is going to be staying at 25% off this week. Now, I went through every single picture and UPC code that I have saved in my phone, and this is the only gift set that I have found that is marking down with this category. Typically, we'll have somewhere between 10 and 15 gift sets that will mark down with the Christmas categories. However, this year, so far, this is what we got. So be on the lookout for the Crest gift sets. Up next, we have our Christmas picnic category, dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. And this does include our Glad party supplies. So here we have the plastic cups. As you all can see, it has a red design with snowflakes on them. This is a 30 count on the plastic cups. We also have the paper plates. 30 count, UPC is on your screen, and then we also have a 36 count on the paper plates. There may be some bowls out there as well, but these are what I found at my store. Up next, we have our Christmas air care going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, and this does include all of our name brand holiday air care items, Breeze, Glade, and Airwick, and we do have some digital coupons that will go right along with these clearance markdowns. So here we have the 175 off one for our Airwick products. Here's a couple just to give you an idea of what price point you're looking at. And then we also have a $3.30 off too for the Febreze products. We do have the 1 count air freshener sprays, and then we also have the 2-pack as well. Both of those are working with this digital coupon. Next up, we have our Christmas baking category dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, here are a few items that are included in this category with their UPC codes. There may be more out there. I am working on visuals with the UPCs every free chance that I get, so y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned. I promise I'll have more visuals with the UPCs, coupon matchups, the whole 9 yards coming at you guys very, very soon. Up next, we have our Christmas candy dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. If you plan on picking up any of these items, make sure that you scan to see if we have any coupon matchups. Up next, we have our Christmas pet category dropping down to 50% off. Now, I have not found any items that are included in this category yet. I still have some more pictures to go through. I can tell you that the pet toys on the screen, they look very Christmassy, but they are excluded, and they are still ringing up full price. All right, up next, we have our Christmas party and stationery category dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, January the 9th. I did get all of these visuals put together for you guys, so be on the lookout for the paper plates, the cups, the napkins. Tons and tons and tons of this stuff still out there, at least in my area, hopefully for you as well. We have, I think, 4 different designs. We've got the snowflakes, the poinsettias, we have the Christmas trees, and the trucks. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and if you're not sure, scan, scan, scan. Now, while we're taking a look at these visuals, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody, make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on and set them to all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I've been having a lot of people leave comments on videos from 3 and 4 weeks ago, and unfortunately in the couponing world, deals move fast, week to week to week. So you have to keep up on the videos if you want to get in on the deals. So turn on those notifications and make sure they're set to all. All right, up next we have our Christmas apparel and socks going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, January the 9th. There are a lot of items included in this category. I have included a lot of pictures in this video. A lot of these socks are just $1. So starting on Tuesday, that would make them just 30 cents each. Now, also included in this category, we have our holiday pajama sets. Those were normally $12.50. They're going to be 70% off starting on Tuesday. There are a few different designs out there, but they are for the entire family. So we have adult sizes all the way down to toddler. Now, I am very curious to hear from you all, so please let me know before you go down in the comment section below. What are your stores looking like? Do you guys still have a lot of this stuff in stock or what? Now, next up, we have our Christmas seasonal category dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, January the 9th. And again, y'all make sure that you stay tuned for those visual videos because I have a fantastic one planned out for this category. Up next, we have our New Year's party items going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, January the 9th. Now, last week I told you guys that this stuff was pretty much non-existent at my stores. I hadn't even found one item. Luckily, I did get the list along with the UPC code, so here's all the pictures with the UPC codes. Hopefully, you guys will have better luck than I am finding this stuff out there because, like I said, I still haven't found even one New Year's item. So I am definitely going to be looking high and low and everywhere I go for these items because, hey, on a lot of this stuff, we can use it year round. We can use some of this stuff for birthdays, family gatherings. We have paper plates, party supplies. Yes, please. I am definitely not mad about this category. But again, I am curious to hear from you guys, so please let me know down in the comment section below. Are you guys finding these in your area? Now, last but certainly not least, we have our Pampers swim diapers finally going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, January the 9th. We do have the small 12 count, the medium 11 count, and the large 10 count. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And unfortunately, we do not have a new penny list for this week so far. If anything changes, you guys will be the first to know. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you go back and check out the video that I uploaded earlier today. We've got new coupons, new glitches. We've got some very, very interesting DG store coupons. So we've got a lot to talk about in that video as well. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.